Okay, good morning. We are starting out a cold morning at the safety building. This is called Safety Lights. Quick look from midsummer, and we are back flying right over the top of this eave, shining down on these excavators where we just formerly filmed. Seems like it was just yesterday. This job definitely have cruised through it. Remnants of a divided sky this morning over Ashland. And we are live over the safety building. There's 4 bay garages. I'm not sure if they're going to be 2 levels, but they are sweet. Looking over the solar panels here, metal roof. And these lights have just fascinated me as the construction's gone on. They're always on, and we're shining so bright. At night, you might recall driving by when the building was just a skeleton here, but it's really taken some form over these past few weeks. We're just focusing in on these corners. Love how the lights go all the way down. Paired this up in time with the idea of Christmas and Christmas lighting, Christmas lights. And I got lucky and got a really nice morning, so just part of the story of the workday there and that ladder where folks probably just left off. We're looking right over the top now to the pouring field here. Skyjack. That'll be the front door. And then back onto these garage door bays. Definitely just going to be one floor. Maybe some windows up there overlooking. And obviously there's solar panels, but I did also want to point out that geothermal piping has been installed. Must have just got done recently. It's just there in the background, those black pipes poking out in the corner at a slant. Those are the geothermal pipes paired up with a solar power. 3 floors, but it looks like it's going to give back a little bit and be able to generate power from the earth itself, so that's pretty cool. This is Safety Lights. Cheers, take care, have a great night.